The CMC ALUNA, crafted by the renowned Italian company CMC Caravan, epitomizes luxury in motorhomes with its spacious interior, high-quality finishes, and advanced features. Each ALUNA model includes a slide-out section that expands the living space, a full-size kitchen with granite countertops and stainless steel appliances, a bedroom with a queen-sized bed, and a bathroom with a separate shower and toilet. Available in various layouts, the ALUNA ensures a luxurious and comfortable experience for long-distance travel or weekends at your favorite campsite. Although it comes with a starting price of around $300,000, its superior design and features make it a worthwhile investment for those seeking the best in mobile living. Embark on your adventures with the Cortes 17, a 17 FT single-axle travel trailer meticulously crafted by Cortes campers. Praised for its lightweight design, this trailer owes its ease of travel to the innovative composite Monoco frame, blending fiberglass and resin for a strong yet lightweight structure. Weighing in at just 2,680 lb when dry, towing becomes a breeze, making road trips a joy. Inside, find comfort and functionality seamlessly integrated sleeping space for two, with a cozy double bed in the rear and a convertible dinette, a fully equipped galley kitchen boasting a sink, stove, and refrigerator, and a compact yet convenient bathroom complete with a toilet and shower. With a starting price of only $45,988 for a new model in 2024, the Cortes 17 offers unparalleled value for those seeking adventure without compromise. The Dembell Motorhome is a luxurious option for those who want to travel in style. Imagine the comfort of a yacht on land. These motorhomes boast a sleek design that's both sophisticated and elegant. At nearly 40 feet long, it offers plenty of space inside despite its impressive height. Two slide-outs, one for the kitchen and another for the bedroom, add even more room. The inside comfortably sleeps and feeds 4 people, with ample storage for all your vacation needs. While the 4 gorgeous white leather seats in the cockpit may not be the most practical choice, they do offer heating, cooling, and even a massage function. The kitchen is a dream, featuring top-of-the-line appliances and plenty of storage. The price tag reflects the luxury, with this particular model retailing for a cool $1.25 million. The EarthRoamer SX is a high-end off-road camper built for exploring remote areas. Imagine a Chevrolet Silverado turned into a luxurious adventure vehicle. The SX is powered by a strong diesel engine that can handle any terrain, from mountains to mud. Inside, it has all the comforts of home, including a spacious kitchen, bathroom, and 2 bedrooms. You can cook meals in the kitchen with a refrigerator, stove, and sink, and freshen up in the bathroom with a shower, toilet, and sink. There's even a queen-size bed in the master bedroom and a bunk bed in the second bedroom. This incredible vehicle comes with a price tag of $145,000. The eleMMent Palazzo is a luxurious motorhome, like a giant RV made by Marchi Mobile in Austria. It stands out for its futuristic design, nicknamed a land yacht for its sleek, aerodynamic look. Imagine a high-end sports car or a fancy yacht, but on wheels. The Palazzo comes in various lengths, from 39 to 65 feet, and offers a ton of space inside to relax and entertain. This luxury definitely comes at a price, though. A new Palazzo can set you back anywhere from hundreds of thousands to over $1 million, depending on how you customize it. The Furrion Elysium is a concept for a super luxurious RV. Imagine a high-tech motor coach, 45 feet long, with all the comforts of home. On the roof, there's a special space called the Sky Deck. It's a combination landing pad for your helicopter, a lounge area with comfy chairs, and even a bar. Relax in the hot tub and take in the amazing views. Step inside the Elysium and you'll find a spacious living room with a modern kitchen, dining area with a fridge, and plush leather sofas. There's even a big screen TV for entertainment. This isn't just any RV, it has a smart home system that lets you control things like lights, temperature, and entertainment from your phone, just like a luxury home. The Houseboat Classic 180 is a luxurious houseboat perfect for living year-round. It boasts a spacious 450 square meters of living area. The houseboat is equipped with 2 engines, allowing a cruising speed of 10 kilometers per hour and a maximum speed of 16 kilometers per hour. Made with high-quality materials and featuring a modern design, the classic 180 offers stunning views of the water from its living room's large glass wall. The kitchen is fully equipped with appliances, and the bedrooms are comfortable and spacious. The terrace is a great place to relax and enjoy the outdoors. It's large enough for a table, chairs, and sun loungers. This houseboat is priced at $643,000. The HYMER VisionVenture is a futuristic camper van designed for adventurous travelers. Built on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis with all-wheel drive, it can handle off-road journeys. Inside, it offers a surprisingly spacious and comfortable living area decorated with natural materials. Imagine a cozy cabin with a well-equipped kitchen, dining area, bathroom with shower, and a comfy sleeping spot. Clever design maximizes space for a relaxing experience. This concept camper also boasts innovative features like lightweight materials for better fuel efficiency and solar panels on the roof for generating clean energy. It even has a heat recovery system to cut down on energy use, making it a more sustainable way to travel. The Mars15 Premium Hybrid Caravan is a great choice for families who want a luxurious and practical camping experience. It combines the convenience of a camper trailer with the comfort of a caravan. It has everything you need for a comfortable trip, including a dining area, kitchen, queen-size bed, and bathroom. It also has lots of high-tech features, like a solar panel and a reverse camera. The Mars15 Premium starts at around $49,000. The Maxus V90 Villa Edition is a luxurious RV that takes mobile living to a whole new level. This innovative vehicle by SAEG Motor unfolds from a single-story RV into a two-story mansion on wheels with a spacious sunroom. When parked, the main floor expands to offer a generous 215 square feet of living space, including a living room, kitchen, bar, and bathroom. A unique elevator takes you up to the second floor, which adds another 133 square feet and can be customized into a sunroom, yoga studio, or office. The V90 Villa Edition boasts additional features like an outdoor kitchen, ambient lighting, a JBL sound system, a washing machine, and air conditioning. This high-end RV is currently only available in China for a price tag of around $413,000. Microhaus offers a compact and fully equipped high-tech living space, starting at $60,000. Packed with more technology than anything else on the market. It includes everything you need from a kitchen and bathroom to a sleeping loft and living area. It's even sustainable with solar panels and a battery backup system. Plus, the easy-to-move design lets you change locations whenever you want. With low running costs and a potentially high return on investment, Microhaus is a perfect option for those seeking a sustainable, modern, and low-maintenance home. The nuCamp Cirrus 820 is a cozy truck camper that fits on most midsize and full-size pickup trucks. It weighs around 5,200 pounds unloaded and has a maximum weight of 7,700 pounds. The camper itself is just under 21.5 feet long, 8 feet wide, and nearly 10 feet tall. Inside, you'll find a kitchen with a 2-burner stove, sink, fridge, and microwave. There's also a bathroom with a shower, toilet, and sink. The dinette area can be converted into a bed for sleeping. To help you stay off the grid, the Cirrus 820 comes with a solar power system. With a starting price of $39,500, this camper could be your perfect adventure companion. The PODX GO Grande S1 is a tiny home that's big on innovation. This clever dwelling transforms from a cozy 140 square feet to a roomy 364 square feet in just 15 minutes, giving you ample space to live and entertain. It comes fully furnished with everything you need, including a living area, kitchen, bedroom, and bathroom. Plus, you can easily tow it with a pickup truck like an F-250 and assemble it on site in no time. Built with high-strength steel and insulated with rigid polyurethane, the Grande S1 is both reliable and secure. It even supports off-grid, living with solar solutions powered by Renogy. All this for a price of $85,000. The RC12M by RC Motorhomes is a luxurious motorhome that will redefine your expectations for on-the-road living. With its sleek design and powerful engine, it's a true head-turner. But the real magic happens inside. The spacious interior features 4 slide-outs, creating an enormous living area, kitchen, and master suite. It's so roomy you'll forget you're even in a motorhome. And for those who like to travel with all the comforts of home, the RC12M boasts a massive rear garage that can easily hold a sports car and all your other gear. Dislike flying but love luxury travel? Rioja Bespoke Projects creates custom RVs outfitted with all the latest technology for the ultimate on-the-road experience. Their Maverick Vanillis Maryland 12 is basically a 2-story apartment on wheels. Imagine a comfy lounge area with big screens in the center, flanked by 2 bedrooms with bunk beds at each end. The kitchen is fully equipped with everything you'd need, from a stove and fridge to a washing machine, and there's plenty of storage space. The luxurious bedrooms are separated from the lounge by a bathroom that features a jacuzzi tub and a spacious shower big enough for 3 people. The Severn Lamb double-deck trolley is a unique attraction that blends modern features with historical charm. Handcrafted for a touch of authenticity, this trolley is a perfect fit for any city, shopping center, or tourist destination. Its design combines classic elements like wood and brass with modern touches like LED lighting. But it's not just stylish. The Severn Lamb trolley is powered by reliable electric technology for long-lasting, easy maintenance. It comfortably fits 50 to 70 passengers, making it ideal for transporting large crowds at a safe speed of 16 kilometers per hour. The SLRV Commander 8x8 is a beast of an off-road RV built for luxury and adventure. Made by SLRV Expedition Vehicles, this custom-built behemoth tackles tough terrain while offering ample living space and high-end amenities. Imagine a 2-story house on wheels. Depending on your needs, it can include a gourmet kitchen, comfy bedrooms, a bathroom with a shower, a dining area, entertainment systems, and climate control to keep you cozy wherever you roam. The Starliner SL25 breaks the mold for luxury RVs. Despite its compact size and practicality, it offers incredible features like 2 queen beds, a garage for your car, and top-of-the-line automation. Think of it as a luxurious pocket rocket. This RV comes in a standard size and a longer executive version, the SL25RG, which offers even more space. Inside, you'll find sleeping for 4 on 2 queen beds, comfortable seating for travel, a full bathroom, kitchen, dinette, and lounge area. The luxurious touches continue with high-end finishes you'd expect in a much pricier RV, even featuring a glass display cabinet for your finest glassware. The STX Pop-Outs garage is packed with cutting-edge technology for a smooth and safe ride. It features powerful engines, a sleek design, and advanced safety systems like automatic braking, lane departure warning, and cruise control. This adventurer's dream machine also boasts a roomy and comfy interior with a fully equipped kitchen, a luxurious bathroom, and a cozy bedroom. But the real star of the show is the built-in garage, perfect for storing a small car, motorcycles, or other toys. The interior is inspired by yachts and Nordic design, creating a bright, warm, and inviting space that feels like home wherever you park. High-quality materials like leather, carbon fiber, and beautiful woods top it all off for a truly luxurious feel. The STX Volvo horse truck is a luxurious way to transport your horses in style and comfort. Built on a dependable Volvo FH chassis, this powerful truck comes in configurations that can carry from 4 to 9 horses. You'll enjoy a spacious living area with a bathroom, dining for 4, satellite TV, air conditioning, a kitchen, and even sleeping spots. For your horses, the STX offers rubber flooring, skylights for natural light, cooling fans, cameras to keep an eye on them, adjustable partitions, and a system to monitor the temperature. It's not just a truck, it's a statement of elegance and quality. THOR Industries has unveiled the Vision Vehicle, a new electric camper van concept for outdoor enthusiasts. This concept boasts the longest range in its class, offering up to 300 miles on a single charge. Built on THOR's exclusive platform, the Vision Vehicle features a high-voltage electric drivetrain that powers the wheels and can even remotely park the RV without needing a tow vehicle. The company claims this is the world's most versatile recreational concept with a smart sound system for easy control and a luxurious interior complete with a comfortable kitchen, bed, and living space. However, There's no word yet on when this exciting electric camper van will hit the market. The Timbercraft Big Sky is a tiny home on wheels that offers both style and function. Inspired by Western Montana architecture, it measures 399 square feet and features a rustic exterior with horizontal metal siding, cedar accents, and black windows. Inside, you'll find shiplap walls, hardwood floors, and stained ceilings. The Big Sky has a spacious living area with a couch and fireplace, a galley-style kitchen with stainless steel appliances and granite countertops, and a loft with sleeping space for two. The bathroom has a shower, toilet, and sink. With a starting price of $50,000, the Timbercraft Big Sky is a great option for those seeking a comfortable and stylish tiny home. The Trigano Sequoia is a new tent trailer that's perfect for families or large groups. It can sleep up to 10 people with 2 big beds, 2 smaller tents, and another annex tent. The main tent sets up in just 5 minutes and has a special ventilation system to keep you comfortable. There's also an awning that inflates quickly without needing poles. With all this space and clever design, the Sequoia is a great choice for campers who want a comfortable and easy-to-use tent trailer. The price starts around your $12,000. The VARIO Signature 1200 is a super luxurious motorhome built on a powerful Mercedes-Benz Actros chassis. At 12 meters long and a whopping 26 tons, it's a true giant of the road. One of its most impressive features is a massive garage that can fit a car as big as a Mercedes-Benz AMG GT. Designed for comfort and style, the Signature 1200 boasts a spacious interior that can sleep up to 6 people. Inside, you'll find everything you'd expect in a high-end home, including a fully equipped kitchen with a refrigerator, stove, oven, and dishwasher, a bathroom with a shower, toilet, and sink, and a bedroom with a queen-size bed and wardrobe. This luxurious motorhome comes with a hefty price tag, starting at $922,000. The Truck Surf Hotel is a surfer's dream come true. It's a luxurious, 2-story motorhome built on a Mercedes truck chassis that can travel along the coast, chasing the best waves. Imagine a 5-room bed and breakfast on wheels. When on the road, the truck is a compact 11.2 meters long, but expands to a spacious 6.5 meters tall when parked. It has 5 rooms that can sleep up to 10 guests, with a mix of double and single rooms. For ultimate comfort, there's a fully equipped kitchen, bathroom with shower, living area, rooftop terrace, air conditioning, heating, and even Wi-Fi. While you can't buy the Truck Surf Hotel itself, you can experience the unique thrill of chasing waves in style.